Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Picked a good one here, one of my favorites. This is the 2017, the Toyota RAV4. Stock number is 7121B. I'll show you the exterior and interior of this super clean RAV4. Notice the exterior condition. You're not going to see any scratches, dents, or dings. Automatic rear door, as you can tell. And look at all the ample room for luggage, groceries. I love the interior leather on this, super clean. This RAV4 has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Does have the four-wheel disc brakes, 2.5-liter four-cylinder dual overhead cam motor. Ample legroom, of course, for friends and family that might be traveling with you. Moonroof, of course, and then no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the front driver's seat as we are right now and showing you how clean. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. Easy access to all the controls, as you can see right here, within arm's length. Automatic transmission. Hey, it's a Toyota. For more information, you know she's not going to last long. Call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.